In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on Wise. To get started, sign in to your Wise account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one profile. Once you're in, go to the home page where you'll find the main options for sending, receiving, and managing money. From the home page, click Request. This will open the section where you can create a payment request. Next, select Request a payment to continue. At this point, Wise will ask who you want to request money from and how you want to do it. On the Who are you requesting from page, choose the method that works best for your situation. If the sender already uses Wise, click Share Your Wise tag. This is a quick and convenient option because it lets the other person find and pay you directly through Wise. If you'd rather send a request link that someone can open and use, click Share a Payment link. This is helpful if you want to send the request through a message or another platform. You also have another option here. If you already know the person you want to request money from, you can search for them using their name, Wise tag, email address, or phone number. Once the results appear, select the correct person from the list to move ahead. After choosing who the request is going to, enter the amount you want to request. Be careful to type the correct value, since this is the amount the other person will see. Then, select the currency for the payment request. This is important because it ensures both sides know exactly what currency the payment should be made in. If needed, add a note or description. This can be useful for giving context, such as what the payment is for, helping the sender recognize the request more easily. Before sending anything, review the payment request details carefully. Double-check the person, amount, currency, and note so everything is accurate. When everything looks right, click Send Request. After that, wait for Wise to send the payment request. Once it has been delivered, you can monitor the request status in your Wise account. This allows you to keep track of whether it's still pending or has already been completed. Finally, confirm that the payment has been received. Checking this step is important, so you know the transfer is finished and the money has arrived as expected. Thanks for watching.